Donald Trump, this is gonna be a very shameful thing that you say you will do something that you're not doing it, Donald Trump. I know you as a man of your word. Donald Trump, uncle, do you know that after you say that a lot of things is still happening? The worst is still happening in Nigeria, Donald Trump. You are the best president America have ever produced, Donald Trump. What is going on? Donald Trump will have the worst government in Africa. Please, Donald Trump, please. The other time, I watched a speech of, I don't know if it's a real Nicki Minaj, was saying the same thing. Donald Trump, you are the best president that I know, that if Donald Trump say that this is A, this is A. Donald Trump is not like every other president that will say that this is A and you're looking for B. He's an honest president. Donald Trump, please. They are destroying people. They are killing and they are deleting. Donald Trump, the worst tragedy is happening the same in Nigeria. Donald Trump, please. Please, sir. We are begging you, the best president. Please. To be very honest, I don't know why the president of Nigeria, Ahmed Tinubu, he doesn't even bother. What they bother is about 2027. None of them cares about anything. Look at Anambra State election. Only thing they care is about the election. They don't care about human. I've never seen this kind of world status of politicians. I've been seeing politicians in past, but I've never seen this kind of vampire set of politicians. Somebody woke up one day and tell me we have president in Nigeria. I wonder maybe we have president or not. I don't know. Before I thought we have president. That someone say that he won the election, which is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But I don't know. Of recent, I don't know. I really don't think that is in fact, there is a president in Nigeria. Please, the world, I'm calling you guys to help us. We have no president in Nigeria, please. Can you help us? No president. We talk about killing people. They say, okay, they're going to do this, they're going to do that. The killing is going worse and worse. It's going every day, every time. And these are human beings. I'm not talking about Christian. No, I'm talking about everyone that lost them soul. We are all human. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Calabar, Bini, Delta, everyone is human. If we don't have a president or a party that can control this, why can't we rule ourselves by ourselves? I think I see now the man that saw tomorrow, which is President Prophet Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He saw tomorrow, and he said it tomorrow before today. My name is Royal Highness King Agugbaola. I'm serious in Igbo one of United Arab Emirates existing.